Alright, y'all. Got another one for you today. I'm getting ready to pour some concrete over here in this area. Right now I'm just going to form it up. I'm not going to pour the concrete just yet because this is the area I'm always, working on shit. Pretty much over here. For whatever reason, because it's out of the way, I want to make it a little bit more of a better work environment for myself, and put a carport here. Just do some work over here and have a little shade as well. All that good stuff. And then if I, want to bring a picnic table over here, or something like that. Have something going on over here, a little, a little function. I can sit right over here and make that happen. So let me get started. Alright, I just want to point out a couple tools I'm using on this concrete job. I got my little scrap box. Since it's such a small piece of concrete, it ain't a real big piece of concrete, I just got some nails. Some penny nails, that's all. See if I can muster up enough to put this together. And I got a small level for, this side to get it started level, and then I'll put it on that side. But first, I'm going to take the long level after I do one side and make sure I'm level all the way across. You dig? Then I got the square, because I want to make sure my corners are flush on this end and that end. You dig? So that's where we're going with this. And I got the stakes. So, and then I'm going to measure, because I'm doing a 10 by 15. I want to make sure that I cut one of these boards in half, because these boards are 10 feet long. So I got an extra board to cut in half, actually 5 feet, so I can do the sides, and have 15 feet on the sides. Alright, let's do it. Alright, so I've been working on this thing for a minute, and it was a little bit of a bear to get it all level. When I put some stakes in across this side over there, it kind of got lower. So I'm going to raise it up a little bit to be even on this corner. But I was kind of thinking about leaving it there so the water will drop off and go that way if both corners are doing the same thing. If they're not doing the same thing, then that's not what I want to do. So let's take a look at it. See that little bubble there? It's a little bit off. Right? So I'm going to come down here, look at this edge, and see where I'm at. And that side, that's pretty much even. So it's inside the bubble. The whole bubble, it's inside the bubble. So as long as it's inside the bubble. But over here, let's take a look at this. I mean, it's yeah, I could use a little bit, but you know, I mess around with this, I might throw the whole thing off. Yeah, I want y'all to think I shorted this corner. This was a worrisome little corner, but I got it all leveled up now. So that's what it is. This corner's level. Walk y'all to the other corner. You can see this one. When I say level, that just means one wall or one corner and another corner is even. You know, that's just one part of it. But you can also put it on the side and put it over here and lay it across. You're gonna see the same thing. You know, if you take it over here, you're gonna see the same thing, right? It's level. So why have one corner that's not level if everything else is level? It just didn't make sense to me. So I just kept messing with it until I got it. Alright, that's level, same thing. Put it over here, same thing. Because you know, you're gonna build a house with a roof on it or anything, a shed, that matters. That matters. You do a tile job, that matters. You come up the corner not right, then and right here I got a little bit of, but I got two boards right here. It's an area of two boards. So one of them boards is let's see, that end's high, this end's low. This end on the right needs to be brought up a little bit. We can do that, no problem.